Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a very unknown brand from UAE, from Middle East, from Dubai. And this one's called Khadlaj. The brand is called Khadlaj. They've been around since 1997, I think, and this one is in particular called Infini. It's caught my eye because somebody mentioned that this one is another copy of Creed Aventus, and as you know, if I hear that I have to check it out because I need to know how good they are, especially for the price. This one in the United Kingdom, if you do your research, if you Google it, you can find it under £25 for 100 ml, and this is edited Perfume. Anyway, so without further ado, let's do this. But before I do that, please, if you find what I do useful, informative, valuable in any way, shape, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you motivate me, and you give me reasons for doing the videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do that, you can't do anything about it. It's a bit noisy. Some people like it, some people don't. So big box as usual. With the Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. So look at this box. It's a huge box. It's a very nice cardboard. It's very shiny with a, this nice design to it. Khadlaj Infini edited Perfume. And a big bottle. Very good packaging for what you pay. For what I paid, under £25. It's very good. Alright, so super heavy bottle, mamma mia, very heavy. And here, attention to detail is very good in terms of box as well. It says Infini Khadlaj. Very good looking bottle, very heavy. As I said, attention to detail is everywhere. It looks super expensive, and the cap is about half a kilo itself. Is very heavy. And let's go with the Atomizer. Very good Atomizer, fantastic. What a beautiful. I wasn't expecting that. This is much better than I anticipated. Okay, here we go. First impression for Infini by Khadlaj. Holy moly, what a beauty. Yeah, so straight away Creed Aventus. Super fruity. Right now is the bergamot, the pineapple, there is blackcurrant, there is even apple. Yes, and it's slightly lemony as well. What a beauty. The opening is fantastic. There's no alcohol, there's no harshness. Very smooth. One of the best opening, especially for the money. I would say between the ones I have, this one, if you want to know about openings, this is one of the best opening for the whole, even better than the top ones, you know what I mean? But we have to see and wait and see the development and also the longevity and the projection and things like that. But for right now, is filling the room anyway. Very smooth, very rounded. No particular notes coming out, and also no harshness, no chemical. Very smooth. Okay, there are definitely elements of syntheticness in there. You expect that for the price, but does it smell harsh? No. Does it smell chemical? No. Does it smell bad? No. It smells fantastic. Very good. One of the best opening if you want, because many of the Creed Aventus clones or copies or inspired ones, the opening is the one that lets you down. I said this before in my videos. Creed Aventus opening, almost nobody can replicate, or at least I haven't come across one that is replicate the opening of Creed Aventus, because the opening of Creed Aventus is absolutely on point. It's gorgeous, it's inviting, it's sweet and fruity, it's woody, everything you want in a nice fragrance. And majority of the clones and copies of Creed Aventus, they fail in that particular opening, but the rest usually they are doing a good job. The rest of the mid and the dry down of Creed Aventus, majority of these fragrances, they do it well. Some of them do it better than others, but they do it well. Okay, in this instant, for right now, for this beautiful fragrance, Infini By Khadlaj, the opening is on point. Fantastic, very very good. Ooh, the woods are coming up, yeah, becoming woodier, and there's a underlying sweetness coming from the vanilla. It's a bit of floral, but overall it's very rounded, it's very good quality. As I said, in the next video I'll let you know the other things like development and the longevity and projection. But for first impression, first sniff, for a first impression, for a first sniff, absolutely yes, 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 100%. I love it to bits. You know me, I'm biased towards the DNA of Creed Aventus. I love Creed Aventus DNA, and this one doesn't disappoint at all. Very very pretty, very beautiful. Okay guys, so you know what to do. If you like what I do, hit those buttons. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super beast mode, very unique, very artistic. You can't find them anywhere. You go, even you go to the boutiques, you can't find them, because I made them myself, and that's why they are unique. You can't replicate them. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I can't, for reason I explained before, can't post outside the United Kingdom. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.